Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to potentially fix the battery percentage issue in your Nintendo Switch 2. So we got some news from Nintendo that there could be issues with the Switch 2 where the percentage of battery life shown isn't actually accurate. This number can look like it's going down a lot faster than what the actual battery life is. So I'm going to walk you through the quick step-by-step process that Nintendo has brought forward on how to try to reset this and fix this particular issue. So what you want to do is make sure that you have your Switch 2 updated. So we can do that by going into our system settings, scroll all the way down to where it says system, and then go over and select system update. And here it'll check for any system updates that are available. You might already be up to date, but you can just double check in this area. It says my system is up to date, so I'm gonna head back to the home screen. Now at this point, what I need to do is power off my Switch. So to do this, I'm gonna hold the power button here at the top. Hold that until you get this screen to show up, and we're gonna select the power options, and then we're going to power off. At the top where the volume up and down buttons are, we're gonna hold those down simultaneously, and then we're also going to hold the power button down as well, and then we can let go of the power button, but we're also going to continue to hold those volume up and down buttons until we get to this particular screen where it says recovery mode up here. And what Nintendo says is once you get to this recovery mode page, recalibrates or resets that battery percentage. So we should be good to go at this point in time. So all we have to do now, click the power button again to get us back to the screen being off, and then we're going to turn the system back on. And once it boots up, we should be good to go at this point in time. After going through this process, if you're still finding an issue where you don't think your battery percentage is showing the accurate number, you can try this fix again. You can try it multiple times to see if you can finally get it to the point where it's fixed and showing the correct battery percentage that you have left. And for the vast majority of people, this should fix your issue, but if you still have a problem for whatever reason, you can always get in contact with Nintendo support. But that's gonna wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.